Hey guys, I'm here on my Lenovo laptop, the Yoga series, and currently my mouse has disappeared. Neither the trackpad or a USB external mouse are working. I've tried everything using the function key as well as F6, which should in theory turn on and off the trackpad, and a whole host of other solutions that I found online, but nothing seemed to be doing the trick. So what I'm going to show you guys is actually something I figured out that seemed to work on my end. Basically, what I found the issue is that the computer was falsely thinking it was in tablet mode, and in tablet mode there's actually no mouse functionality. So for whatever reason, the computer thought it was in that mode, so got rid of the mouse entirely. So to fix that, what I did actually is I put the computer into tablet mode and I clicked yes when it said you want to switch to tablet mode. So I'm going to do that right now. So now I'm in tablet mode. There is no mouse. Even if it were working, it wouldn't be here. And then simply to get your mouse back is I then unflipped my computer and I got prompted whether I wanted to exit tablet mode. Took a few seconds, but I then clicked yes to that, and once I did that, my mouse reappeared, as you can see. So hopefully the solution works for you guys. I know this problem is highly frustrating, so hopefully this is helpful, and best of luck solving this problem.